Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. I was sick a few days ago and my voice is still recovering from that. So if I sound a little bit weird, that's why, yeah. I sound super weird. In today's video I'm going to do a makeup look, which is something that I haven't done in like a super long time because honestly I don't really like makeup tutorials anymore, and also my makeup tutorials almost no one watches them. So I just stopped making them. But you guys have been requesting for me to make makeup tutorials like every single day, so today I'm gonna do that. So if you're interested in that, then just please keep on watching. Today's look is going to be like a Christmas look, like a holiday festive makeup look, and I didn't really know what color to do, so I asked you guys on Instagram what to do. So let me just get the answers real fast and see what you guys have been telling me. Dark green and dark blue. Dark green and red, please. Green, purple, blue and purple. Every color on the rainbow. That seems a little bit too intense for today. Purple and a little bit of pink. So the main colors you guys want me to do are green, red and purple. So let me just kind of like think about something to do. Okay, I know it. I would really love to do like a green eye look and like purple lips, or a green eye look and red lips. But if I just look at my makeup brushes right now, they are all dirty. I haven't cleaned my makeup brushes in probably like 2 or 3 weeks. So I need to work with dirty makeup brushes today, which is pretty gross, I know. But the color that they're all stained is purple. So I guess I have no choice but to do purple eyeshadow today, because I'm not gonna do my makeup with my fingers. So let's do a purple eye look and a red lip. Great, okay, let's get started. I'm going to take a lilac eyeshadow and I'm going to use it as a transition shade, because why the heck not? And I already have a lilac stained brush, so it always comes in handy. Okay, let's put this on the eyes. By the way, I've already done my base makeup, as you can see, because I feel like nobody will want to see that, so you're welcome. Okay, my transition shade is on my eyes. It's pretty uneven, but so are my brows, so it kind of like works out, you know. So now I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I absolutely love this. This is amazing, I swear to God. And we're gonna take this color right here. And this is called Root Canal. Root Canal? I don't know. So let me just like put this on my eye. Gorgeous color. I love this so much. Oh! Okay, so now I'm just gonna try and make this look a little bit better by blending it out with that lilac-y color again. Ooh. I don't really know if you can actually like see what I'm doing, because maybe I'm a little bit too far away, but at the same time, like, my makeup definitely looks a lot better from far away, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. I always have like one side that looks way better than the other side, and this side looks so bad right now. Let me just like try and clean it up a little bit. Okay, so now we've got that stuff on there and it doesn't look that good, but you know, we're just gonna continue. So on to the next color. I'm taking my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm taking the purple shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, my eyelid, to make it even more purple, because now it's more like pinky and we want it to be a little bit more purpley. So get it on my brush. It doesn't really pack the color like it normally does. I don't know what's going on. It's supposed to be a lot darker, like, What's going on with the eyeshadow? Maybe I should have used this eyeshadow first and then blend that out with the other colors. But you know, it's too late for that right now. Maybe it's the brush. Should I use a different brush? Or just my finger? Yeah, I'm gonna use my finger. Yeah, that works better. I think the brush is just really bad. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend that out real quick. Not too much, just a little bit. I don't know what's going on, but that purple eyeshadow is just not having it today. Because I used my finger and the pigmentation was like super good, and then I used the brush and then I just like literally wiped everything off again. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. And I'm just gonna continue taking that horrible purple and smudging it underneath the lash line. Then I'm taking this eye pencil from Essence. It is number 16, Coolest Chic. And I'm just going to line my waterline with that. Oh, I'm actually so mad at this eyeshadow look because it looks so horrible. And it was supposed to look good. But you know what? We're going to try and fix this eyeshadow look with a bunch of glitter, because honestly that always works. So I'm taking the ColourPop Supernova shadow in the color Over Again. And honestly, this is such a beautiful product. I actually love this so freaking much. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna like pop it onto my eyes, and it's just gonna make it look so much better. Honestly, this is the best stuff ever. So let me just do that real quick. I don't know if you can even like see it on camera, but this stuff is so gorgeous. And I'm also just gonna put like a little bit underneath the eye as well. Just, you know, to give it a little bit more glam. It's like in the center. I said I was going to put it only in the center, but I just ended up putting it like all underneath my eye. Because I just love it so much, okay? Okay. So I've got like this idea to make it a little bit more Christmassy, because honestly purple isn't like a very Christmas color. So I have these little stars. I can show you these. They actually came in this like nail art wheel, which I got at Primark like a few years ago. And you know, I'm just gonna glue some stuff that's meant for your nails on my eyes, because I like to keep it a little experimental on this channel. So I'm just gonna take 4 of those stars and I'm just gonna glue them here and here and there and there. So now the eyeshadow is done, I'm just going to quickly do my liner and mascara and put some false lashes on. And for the lashes I'm going to use the Ardell Studio Effects Pro Designed Layered Lashes. Yeah, these ones. Boop, 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 boop. Look gorgeous. So I'm just gonna do that real quick and then I'll be right back. So the eyes are completely done, as you can see right now. And now it's time for the lips. And for the lips I'm going to take my favorite red lipstick of all time. And that is the Fenty Beauty, what's this called? Stunna Lip Paint. In the color Uncensored. And this is such a gorgeous color. Oh my god, I love this so much. So let's put this on my lips. So the lipstick is applied. So what I'm now going to do is the last step, the final step of this entire makeup look. And that is I'm just going to take a little bit of the get from the highlighter palette, the Alchemist Palette. And I'm taking the color Opal, and this is the highlighter that I'm also using on my cheeks. And I'm just going to take a little bit with my finger. And I'm just going to put that like on the cupid's bow. A little bit in the center of the lipstick as well. And then it's just gonna tie this look together. So yeah guys, this is the final holiday Christmas glam makeup look of today. I really hope you guys like that I made a makeup tutorial again, because you've been asking for it for so long. So I hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you decide to recreate it, please don't forget to post it on Instagram and tag me in your pictures, because I would love to see that. And yeah, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And also please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I really want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!